Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer, tutorial 16, enter draw mode. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft PowerPoint. We're going to start this tutorial. Let's now go over to the dock, go to Finder, go to the OneDrive folder, click on work.pptx. Double click. Let's just wait for that to load. In the meantime, we will minimize Finder for the moment. Now let's insert a new slide. Right click, new slide, slide number 5. Let's remove the click add text. Click to add text. Now let's go to draw. Click on draw. And now let's type or write Computer Science Videos CSV. Not the best drawing, but you get the picture. We can erase everything on screen. Let's go back to draw, Computer Science Videos, a couple of lines, and so that's how you draw. We can change the color if we wish to. Yep. We can insert a highlighter if we wish to. If we wish to erase everything, highlight or hover over everything and it should be erased within seconds. Let's go back to draw using the black pen, Computer Science Videos. Command Z to undo. There we go. Command S to save. We can now quit PowerPoint. And so that's for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.